Hi and welcome back to Black Stag Styling, AW Smart Repairs. So in this video we are going to be doing some of our styling to a brand new VW Amarok. That's the V6 4Motion one. So we will be changing all the chrome around the vehicle to a satin black. So that's the sidebars, like side steps. We've got all the front grille sections around where the fog lights are, a main grille. Then we've got some of the badges as well. And the bar that runs across the back of the pickup, like the roll bar as well. So we're going to be doing all of that, the wheels as well, and the brake calipers all in black. So this should look pretty good. So as normal, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications, that way you'll stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Don't forget you've got obviously all our other links as well, Facebook, Instagram. They're all in our bio below, so have a look at that. Check out our other videos. So let's get this into the workshop. Got quite a lot of bits to be stripping off this, so we need to be getting on with it. So thanks very much, let's get going. Right, so we're now stripping the vehicle, getting all the bits and pieces off. As you can now see, we're going to go around and see young Adam and Fraser. Here they are, doing a bit of stripping, look. Hello, boys.
Give us a few minutes and come back and see us.
Okay, we'll do that. Side steps are off, though.
Yeah, they came off pretty easy, didn't they? Yeah. Being considered.
Lovely. Does make life a bit easier being a new vehicle, doesn't it?
Yeah. You right there, James? James! Hello! You right there? Yeah. Cool. You haven't finished your biscuits yet, have you? Not yet. Okay. He's alright.
Right, so we're now getting the rear bumper off, I think, lads, have we?
Yeah.
Pretty much all the bolts undone.
And Fraser is just disconnecting the parking sensors.
Lovely jubbly.
There you go, mate.
We off, are we, mate?
Disconnected, mate.
Here we go then. Little drum roll.
Du-du-du-dum.
There you go, mate.
Superb. There we go, so we get that all prepped up.
Yeah.
Lovely. We're doing that in Raptor, haven't we? We're doing that in the black Raptor. Right, so we got the roof bar all undone as well, have we?
Yeah.
Excellent.
To you. Oh, Joakim brothers.
That's very true.
Bar, baby, bear. That's not the same show.
Hello, pal.
Hello,
what
pal.
What are we doing then, but?
Oh, mate, well, I'm using my new kneeling mat.
Nice.
Kneeling mat? Well, I say mine. We sort of share around here. Got a nice one. Upholstery finished. Hardwood back. Nice. Nice job.
It's not bad, to be fair.
Yeah.
Better than them snap-on ones.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Hard bottom,
Other than that, what are you doing?
I'm just prepping these calipers up, mate.
Lovely.
On the Amarok.
Superb. Not too bad. As they're brand new.
Brand new. It's lovely, mate. It's
Yeah.
absolutely lovely. And then we're painting them in that black heat-resistant paint.
Lovely.
So pretty special.
Lovely, pal. Look at that.
You didn't zoom into my kneeling mat, did you, like that?
I did. I did have a look at your needle map. Here we go, so we're over with Fraser. Look, he's got the rear bumper section. All off the vehicle. What are we doing, bud?
Just prepping it up now, so that's ready for some Raptor.
Yeah, Raptor paint, which is the protective, sort of slightly textured paint, isn't it?
Yeah,
in black.
Paint as well.
What grit so you cleaned it all up?
Yeah, cleaned it all down, got all the dirt off it. Then sanded it with some 80 grit. Just getting all the edges with some 320. And it will be a lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely.
Look at that. Oh, that hand action, pal.
Sure, years in the making then.
Action.
Action.
What I'm up to, strictly some tyres for the Amarok.
Lovely.
Going to do the wheels in satin black.
Superb.
So tack the tyres off, tack the valves and the weights off, and then we'll get them all prepped up, get them painted.
Lovely jubbly. Not too bad. These are new wheels, aren't they? New
wheels,
vehicle.
So yeah, they don't need chemically stripping or anything, and we can just key up all the wheels and then go straight over the top of what we've already got.
Superb. What's going down, James?
Nothing's going down at the moment.
Oh, okay.
But we've got the wheels for the Amarok, so prepping them up, going over with a bit of red scotch. They're brand new wheels, so I've just got to key them up for the primer to stick to. So yeah, all good.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Lovely. Look at that, looking lovely. And the wheels.
Thank you.
Hello, mate.
What am I doing here, you ask? Well, let me tell you.
Come on then, Fraser, tell us.
Just keying up some chrome, mate.
You having a nice sit down, mate?
Yeah, I was getting a bit tired, you know, I should go over there for a bit. And I thought,
Yeah.
I'll sit down
Busy
here
old
for a bit.
morning.
Yeah, busy, you know, I've had to have some milkshake to sort of get me by, you know.
Any other milkshakes are available.
Just that way.
Few little chrome bits to key up, lovely.
Yes.
Lovely times. Well, don't forget, guys, also got all of our clothing available. So if you're after any of our hoodies, caps, follow the links below. Also, just check out on our website, blackstagstyling.co.uk. See what you think of everything else we do as well. So here's some of our clothing. Look, lovely. So our t-shirts, different colour t-shirts. Got our hoodies, obviously our caps as well. Modelled lovely here by our mannequin. There we go. That's all. Right, here we go. We're into the old spray booth now with most of the parts for the Amarok, and with James, of course, behind me here. Ooh, lovely job. Right, so tell us what's going down.
So we're about to have a really good time. We've got the alloy wheels from the Amarok. They're all prepped up, all cleaned and ready to go. I'm going to put some black epoxy on those. We've got all the chrome bits that are going in satin black. They're all prepped up and keyed up, and they've all had a coat of plastic primer. Been tacked off, so I'm going to lay a light coat of black epoxy down on those as well. And then we'll lay a black base down and then a satin clear over the top.
Superb. Excellent. Let's have a little pan round of the bits. There we go. parts are now into the black, so they're all black, all black primered, epoxy primered, ready to go. So James is now going to get a bit of his old lacquer coat on, so going in a satin lacquer. So let's watch him. Watch a man in action. Woohoo! Right,
we're in the booth.
Oh, we're in the booth. We're back in the booth with James, and right. So now we've got the we've got rear bumper, side steps for the Amarok to be done in the Raptor finish. So this is the protective coat and paint. James has now got it all ready with the hardener, ready to go. So we're going to get that onto these 3 parts, and then we've got a couple more bits left to do in the black and the satin black. Superb. Thank you very much. Here we go. Right, we're now doing the last bits in satin black. So with James, we're doing the rollover bar, I think is what it's called. The top bar, which was in like sort of chrome stainless. Now doing that in satin black. Last bits to do, and then we'll be fitting everything up. Lovely. Right, so now going to go into the workshop, check on the guys, now starting to fit the bits up for the Amarok. I think we're now about to do the side steps, so we're going to have a look, see what how they're doing with that.
Never watched Ground Force, this one, mate.
Hello lads.
Hello, mate.
Hello lads. Now getting them side steps on, bud?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, can you believe that? You've never watched Ground Force?
Never watched.
No, never watched.
Haven't lived, mate, haven't lived.
Never even heard of Charlie Dimmock.
Don't even know who he is.
Right, here we go then, mate.
Good with her shrubs, wouldn't she, Ad?
She's lovely with her shrubs. All step to bushes, Grim.
We'll do a little bit, let's do a little bit of ad vision, shall we? Here we are.
Chattel vision. Oh, add a vision. Add a vision.
It's quite a nice piece, only held on by three bolts, to be honest.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
3 bad.
3 bad.
Hello, mate, having a nice sit down in here.
Yeah, I'm lovely little sit down, mate.
All the bits to go onto the grill.
Yeah, the tricky little fiddly bits.
They are a bit fiddly by the looks of this, haven't they? We've got the badges for the back as well there, but how you doing?
They weren't interested, mate, in there.
No.
No, left to me again.
Sounds about right, doesn't it? But you got your mate with you, look.
Yeah, he's helping a lot. He tells me when to put them, I put them in. Yeah. No, we're going in.
He's looking a bit grey today, and he's looking a bit grey.
A little bit grey, he's under the weather a little bit.
Here we go, right. Let's get this old bumper on, boys. Here we go, here's Fraser in his natural habitat.
Come on, Alex, go out, mate.
Yeah, well, that.
That's what they all say.
That's nice stuff. Reasonably nice.
Oh, to me.
To you.
To me now. Well, this is a bit tricky.
Enjoy it, mate.
No. Oh, mate.
We have now finished the VW Amarok V6 4Motion, brand new vehicle this, 69 reg. So we have done numerous bits and pieces to this, making it look a much meaner vehicle. Hopefully you'll agree with this. Starting with the front grille, fully stripped, all the chrome bits done in satin black and refitted. Then moving across to the alloy wheels, fully stripped, done in a satin black to match them with everything else. Brake calipers, also prepped, done in a black heat resistant paint. Bottoms of the mirrors in black. Then moving to the side steps and the rear bumper. So both of these items have been done in our black Raptor paint. Raptor is a harder finish paint, giving a lot more protection to them two areas. Obviously a bit more prone to stone chips or being caught. Then moving to the back of the vehicle, we have the rollover bar, done in a satin black as well. Then debadged the boot lid, done the VW badges front and rear in a satin black. So making a huge difference to this vehicle. Just as a little finishing touch, we have fitted new tyres. We've gone with an all-terrain tyre, just giving a little bit more of an aggressive finish to the wheels, also giving it a bit more off-road and rubbishy weather tyre, perfect for them type of conditions. So hopefully you agree, you're impressed or pleased with this. Anything we can help with this type of vehicle and styling, don't forget to get in touch with us. For checking out our latest YouTube video. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. Been good, been great working with a brand new Amarok. We've got loads more of these type of vehicles to come. A lot more styling involved, including in some styling of some vans. So stay tuned for all of that. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notifications, that way you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing moving forwards. Check out some of our previous videos as well. Also, check out some of our links below, other social media, Instagram, Facebook. So stay tuned. We'll catch up with you again soon. Thanks as always for watching.